Jai Hind children, let us learn the next subheading mitochondria under chapter 8. Mitochondria, singular mitochondrion, visible when the cell organelles are stained. Its number varies based on the physiological activities, that means the life processes of the cell. Its diameter and length varies. They are double membrane bound structures. Outer membrane is continuous. It forms the boundary. The inner membranes forms infoldings called cristae. The inner and outer membrane divides the lumen, that means the cavity, into two compartments. That means it divides the lumen into two aqueous compartments. The inner compartment is called matrix. Both the membranes have their own enzymes related with mitochondrial functions. Mitochondria are the sites of aerobic respiration. It stores energy in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate, hence called powerhouses of the cells. Its matrix contains single circular DNA, few RNA, 70 S ribosomes, and components required for the synthesis of proteins. Mitochondria divide by fission. Hence, mitochondria is commonly called as semi-autonomous cell organelle. Plastids. Plastids are found in plant cells. They are specific pigments. They give specific color. Example: chloroplast, chromoplast, leucoplast, etc. Chloroplast. They are green colored plastids, contain chlorophyll and carotenoid pigments. They help in photosynthesis. Chromoplast. They are fat soluble carotenoid pigments. Example: carotene and xanthophyll. They give yellow, orange or red color. Leucoplast. They are colorless plastids. They differ in its size. They store nutrients. Amyloplast. They store carbohydrates in the form of starch. Example: potato. Elaioplast. Store oils and fat. Mesophyll cells are present between the upper and lower epidermis of leaves. They are usually oval or spherical in its appearance. Its length and number varies. Single chloroplast is commonly seen in Chlamydomonas. The structure of chloroplast shows double membrane bound envelope. Inner membrane is less permeable. Its matrix, commonly called stroma. There present flattened membranous sacs called thylakoids. Thylakoids usually arranged like pile of coins. Stroma lamellae connects the thylakoids. Stroma contain enzymes help in the synthesis of carbohydrates and proteins. Chlorophyll pigments on thylakoids. Circular DNA 70S ribosomes are also present. Stroma, the space limited by the inner membrane of the chloroplast, is called the stroma. Thylakoids, organized flattened membranous sacs. Grana, thylakoids are arranged like piles of coins, called grana, singular granum. Stroma lamellae, membranous tubules connecting the thylakoids. Ribosomes. Ribosomes are granular. They appear as dense particles. Ribosomes are not surrounded by any membrane. Identified by the scientist George Ballard. Ribosome is composed of DNA and proteins. Types of ribosomes: 70S ribosomes and 80S ribosomes are the two different types of ribosomes. S stands for Swedberg unit, that is sedimentation coefficient, a measure of density and size. These ribosomes consist of two subunits. For example, the 70S ribosome consists of a smaller subunit of 30S and a larger subunit of 50S. The 80S ribosome consists of the smaller subunit of 40S and the larger subunit of 60S. They help in synthesis of protein. Dear students, hope you follow the given contents. If you have any doubt, call me and clear your doubt. Thank you, children.